Do you want clean air? Who doesn't? Air cleaning blowers clean out all kinds of dusts and particles, even germs. Air cleaning blowers clean effectively, work simply, with a quick and easy installation, comparable to installing a kitchen fan. Hang it up and it's ready. Air cleaning blowers, or ACBs, provide predictable and constant airflow, air pressure, energy consumption, and air quality. Here's an air cleaning blower in action. As you can see, it works so well that it will even clean out a glass full of sawdust. The clean air blowing into your room is moving the streamers, with all the sawdust gone. Air cleaning blowers separate dirt from air using no filter elements of any kind to buy or change. No filter elements means no filter elements to maintain. That's no additional expenses to sustain the product's operation. Its steady performance will cut costs over time while improving health and safety. This is a whole life cost product, meaning once you buy it, that's it, no maintenance or upkeep costs. Gone are the aggravations, the costs, the uh-oh I forgot to change the filter, and the convincing someone to change the filter moments. You just have clean air blowing out for the whole life of the ACB. ACBs come in many sizes and shapes, and can be used to clean air for all types of industries, from steel plants to meat processing. Commercially, they clean air for customers, offices, and storage areas. On the farm, it will keep equipment and buildings much cleaner with no filter maintenance. And at home, you can bring in clean air without dust or pollen. The industries that air cleaning blowers can improve include manufacturing, agriculture, military and government, schools or institutional, food processing and service, transportation and vehicles, mining, oil and tunneling, and even data centers and control rooms. The applications of the product are nearly limitless, as so many different industries and businesses can greatly benefit from an increase in airflow, especially when that same product also filters dust, particles, and germs out of the air. Where can I get one? Air cleaning blowers. We clean air for everything. For more information about air cleaning blowers, please go to www.aircleaningblowers.com, email us at marketing@aircleaningblowers.com, or just give us a call at 845-244-3091. We look forward to providing you with a quality product that simply works and works simply.